Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Rebecca. Today I'm going to be filming a Christmas dress try-on haul. So I've got FemmeLuxe and Missguided, and my boyfriend is going to be rating my dresses. So he's going to be either going cop or drop. So yeah, so if you want to see the rest of this video, then just keep on watching. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe and write a comment in the box below what you want to see next. Thinking of doing some like festive Christmas makeup look ideas. Jesus Christ, Rebecca. But yeah, signing off here. Oh, hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today you've got Rebecca and you have Dom.
Hello.
So we're going to do a cop or drop. Is that what we're calling it?
Yeah.
Cop or drop to Christmas dress ideas. So without further ado, let's just get into it. Oh, Jesus Christ, Dom. You got to close your eyes. Okay, so this is the first outfit. What do we think?
Overall I like it, but what the fuck is that sack on the front? So this is your Christmas party dress, so that's for storing your snacks.
This is for your snacks
You got
afterwards.
for your buffet. No, you know, like at the Christmas buffet, you get all the little like sausage rolls and Scotch eggs.
Oh yeah.
All those kind of things. So that's for when you walk up to the buffet, so you don't have to. Because you know you always get little plates.
Yeah.
Nice little paper plate, no fit enough food.
Just
on
go
it. So
around
perfect.
like.
Yeah, you can put it in your.
I love it though. I do really like
If it
it.
didn't have that stupid sack on it,
Yeah, but it's part of the design. It's part of like the look.
Nah, drop. Stupid sack.
No, not a fan.
No.
So this is a FemmeLuxe dress. I think it was like, I don't even know how much it was. I think it was like £20 or something like that. But if you're sure, it's probably not going to be the best for you because it's quite long. I think it's quite long, don't you think?
I think the whole crinkle effect is fine. And it does work. But
That's the back.
That sack is just so
booty.
retarded. That's nah. Drop.
No. Okay, we'll definitely drop. If you eat a lot though, you can kind of hide it in this. So if you're getting your snacks and you want to disguise the stomach, you're all good. Okay, drop to that one then. No to this one. Right, this is another dress from FemmeLuxe. That is like a midi dress with this like wrap detailing. Again, we have some excess material, you know.
They like the excess material vibe, don't they?
They fucking love the excess material, FemmeLuxe. But I love it. It is really nice. I think it makes my butt look really good. No? Don't agree?
Not a fan. Drop.
No? Okay, right, give me some shoes. What is it, Matt? So I have a pair of ASOS heels. These are the Heart Clear Barley Their Block Heel Sandals.
Not a mouthful at all.
Huh?
That wasn't a mouthful.
Literally. And this is how they look. So they look like this. They got the really nice block. Dom is not a fan of clear heels, are you, babe?
No.
But I am. Oh, I like these heels. How lush do they look?
Yeah, they look alright on, to be fair. I'm still not a big fan of the clear heel vibe, but they're definitely better than some of the other fucking atrocious pairs of shoes you've got.
Yeah, I'm not sure if I am a fan of this dress.
Nah, drop. Looks like you're wrapped in cling film.
Bit of cling film.
Or a bin bag or something.
So, no to this one.
Drop. Cop the shoes.
What?
Cop the shoes.
Okay, yeah. I don't feel like we've explained. Cop is we like, drop is obviously we drop it. Yeah?
Yeah, cop is like you're going to keep it. Drop is like you're going to send it back.
Yeah. You definitely have to wear a bra with this. But this was like, I think this was like £20. It was so cheap. So if you want like a sparkly tinfoil dress, this is your one.
Cling film.
Cling film. It's not cling film,
No,
it's like
cling film.
tinfoil. It's like
cling film.
pink tinfoil, but it's like
brown cling film.
it's not like brown cling film. I like it. Again, you could cover like the food situation if you're gonna have like a buffet
Oh, yeah,
Christmas
it's got a
meal.
little fucking hanky on it as well. So
you can.
Is it a bag? Is that a bag for the snacks as well? It's not got an opening in the top.
No, unfortunately not.
So.
This I feel like is just absolutely unnecessary.
Yeah.
Isn't
it's
it?
To pin over your stomach when you're a bit bloated. Cover
like...
it up. Pin it up around the back. No.
Oh no, it's so...
Around the front and then around the back. It just comes up your belly.
Sorted. You just need...
When you're a bit full later on.
It just looks like this weird flap that you've got. I think if it was shorter, I think it would work.
Again, they're covering for the snack situation. Cut a hole in the top of it, carry your snack.
Okay, cop. No, drop.
No, drop.
Absolutely drop. Right, so drop the other one. Let's do the next one.
FemmeLuxe isn't doing too great at the moment.
No, they're not.
How many more FemmeLuxe dresses have you got?
I've got a skirt and a dress.
I would say.
Okay, ready? Okay, look.
Yep, big fan. Cop.
Yeah?
No explanation needed.
Can you see my boobs through it though?
Yes.
Okay. What, really bad?
I can see your nips, yeah.
Okay, I really like this dress. So this is like a cable knit, one shoulder dress. It's kind of like midi. Will look fucking sick with a tan, I think.
Where's it from?
FemmeLuxe.
Okay.
FemmeLuxe again.
Price?
Huh?
Price?
I think it was like 20. Again, I think this was like £12 or something. But what I'll do is I'll put all the prices down below. I don't think you're going to be able to get them for the prices, but I think FemmeLuxe has always got discounts anyway because they're cheap as fuck. But I like that.
Yeah, big fan.
I'm not sure if it's a Christmas dress vibe though.
Don't know. Be good for our brunch.
Yeah, we're going to bottomless brunch in Winch, so that'll be fun. Definitely like I can't eat. Didn't help with the bloating.
So I'm just fast before you go there.
I'm just not eating anything all day. I like it though. I really like this.
Big fan.
I don't like it. Technical issues. Okay, what do you think?
Fucking drop the fuck out of that right now.
I quite like
That needs to
it.
go in the dustbin.
I like that.
Don't even send that back, just chuck it straight in the bin.
Oh, I think it looks fucking hot,
You
man.
need to drop the fuck out of it, it's terrible.
Hey, how is it terrible?
Looks like a
It's
fucking
so
curtain. It looks
pretty.
like a repurposed curtain.
Maybe it is.
This is shit. Proper shit.
It's too long for me though.
It's just proper
It's a little bit too long.
It's just proper shit in general.
I don't know if you can see in the mirror by there, but it's like insanely long. But this is Missguided. I think I got this for like £25. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all the prices at some point in the screen somewhere. But I like this. If you were tall, I think it would look lush. And they did this in like a nude, and they did it in a like a floral print as well, which looks so nice. But yeah, I just don't think it doesn't really suit petite girls. I got this in a size 8. Everything I've got is in a size 8. So if you're like my kind of build, then yes, size 8 will be perfect. If anything, maybe I could have gone a bit smaller in this. You not think?
Yeah, I just don't think it's a good dress for your body type.
No, I think it's just a bit too. I think it's too long. But I like this whole Bordeaux vibe. What do you think, babe?
Bordeaux?
That's what it's called, Bordeaux.
You sure?
Yeah.
Looks like
Well, Dom thinks it looks like a curtain. I think it looks sick against the tan. Again, the ruffles are going to be super, super flattering if you're going to eat loads, if you're going to drink loads and you feel like you bloat. I think I've done very well for getting items that help with like the bloat. Definitely think.
It's definitely an issue at a Christmas party.
Yeah, exactly, for me as well. I'm going to be drinking not that much this year. Absolutely not that much. Okay, cool, let's get this. We're going to drop this one, yeah?
Drop.
So drop this one. The only one we've copped is Okay, look.
Drop.
Why?
It's just ugly.
How is it ugly?
The arms, like,
I think it's meant to do something.
No, the arms are just drop.
I think it's meant to do something.
It looks like a fucking, like, some sort of medieval thing.
I think it's meant to do something like this.
I don't know what it's supposed to do, but whatever it is.
I like this. I think this looks so cute.
Definitely drop.
I like this. Again, so this is Missguided, and this is in a size 8. I got this on their like sale, or their Black Friday sale, but I'm not really sure what the arms do. I just look like the Michelin Man currently.
It's horrendous.
Maybe they're just meant to go up. I
Just
don't know
shit.
really what they're meant to do. I really like this dress. I feel like it's definitely going to be one of those dresses that stays on your arms. Like it won't move up.
No shit.
No, I mean as in, right, the struggle is real dumb, you don't get it. When like moving up and stuff, these things go up, this dress won't. It's 100% won't.
It's locked in your whole arm.
It is a little bit tight around my waist. So if you breathe, like, yeah, it's fucking tight. I don't get these arms though. How's these arms meant to go? Okay, so Dom, what do you think of this one?
Well, it's a skirt, not a dress, but cop. I like it.
You're just saying that because we don't have any other choices.
No, I do like it, honestly.
Okay, so this is a femmeluxe skirt. I got this in a size 8, and then I just paired it with this like Zara vest cami that everybody and their mums has. But I really like this one. I think it's a bit more like toned down. What am I gonna wear? I've got 3 events.
I think that is the Christmas party.
What do I wear with the girls for dinner? I've got 4 events actually.
Why?
Well, I've got drinks with Ayana, haven't I?
No. Yeah, but you can just wear normal clothes for that. You don't need to wear a special outfit for that. Same as drinks with the girls. You don't need a special outfit for that.
Why?
It's only the Christmas party and our thing that you need a particular outfit for, isn't it?
Okay, so this one we're saying this is very toned down for the Christmas party. To make this more of a festive idea, we could stick some clear heels with it. Clear heels. And I don't know what bag I would wear. I guess I would wear like this bag here. The little plain black one. But yeah, I think we've found my Christmas dress idea. Dress outfit, I guess. A bit more, it's very toned down. Yeah, fuck it, this is what I'm gonna wear. Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed this very random video. I know it's a little bit all over the place, but yeah, it was a lot of fun. I think we thoroughly enjoyed filming this, didn't we, Dom?
Definitely.
Very nice. So, make sure you definitely like and subscribe, and make sure to leave a comment down below what you want to see in my next video. But I will see you on the flip side.